Versace, this one. It's a very nice design. He said 550. So 550 times 150 is amura. Kiss kung ang money 148, 550 times 148. Amura. Okay. Mare, ang jadi ako sa mga earrings. No? So, ang how much here, brother? Approximately.
There is a different rate, no? That's it.
Okay. But for dangling, okay, can you keep that? Mare, for example, amo dya ang dangling, no? See for example, pilihan ba ako, di kang dyan. Dyan, do ka cute ka dyan. Ano may hard part? Dyan do ka nami ka dyan. See for example, brother, that one, how much will that be?
$228.
228 times ibutang tabi sa 148 pesos is ang mura mare. Ang bili na. This is how many carats?
22.
22 carats. So the 21 carats, do you have 21 carats which is long?
That's it.
Okay, I will see. So, di dyan kita sa 21 carats, though mas ano lang gawa. So, for example, because sa 21 carats, wow, this is really beautiful, but I know this. But if it's lightweight, so it's affordable. Say for example, Diyan, hindi ko cute man ka dyan, pero pira yan. Okay, I'll try ang I think namin, Diyan, na design. Brother can, where is he? Sorry, this one. This one. Can you compute this for me?
This one?
Yeah.
$250.
250 times 148 pesos. Mare, 37. Kay bahol da na. Oo. So, just siguro, mas ikibahol. Kung cute lang be, the smaller one, which do you think is more lightweight here, brother?
Which one she like? We can check the price for that one. Huh? You don't know exactly what she like.
Lightweight. This one. Can I try this?
$105.
105 times 148. 15,000 ang Jamare. 21 karat gold. How much grams?
To be 2.23.
2.2 grams to 2.23 grams. Lightweight lang. Oh, pero ang muraan na presyo. Ang iban, kaya gina-multiply nandun. How much the gram of gold today?
34.4.
34. Oh my God. 5 years ago, it was only 22 when I bought. The next one. This, the
It
last
should be
one.
120, 130 like that.
Ah, so if 120 times 1 na. Ang 17 ka dyan, tanin. Doja. Kung 10k ang budget na to, it will be stud earrings lang. Ang gamay lang. Though, wala ako to may nakita di ganyan. Amo dyan ang mga lightweight. Okay. Brother, do you have 18k? Tanawan ta sa 18k. 18k.
This one.
This one, 18k. Okay. Hindi na mo. Kada din mo. Gusto mo. Oo, tanan mare. By gram. Can I try this? This one, right? 18k. So, ang kay kung 21k, syempre mas taas nga na worth per gram. Tapos, kung 18, syempre mas
It will be 99 real after discount will be.
99 ang ja is 99 times 14. Nagmahal mo gid man tulad. Again, how much per gram today?
29.35.
29 per gram ang gold. And how much grams is this?
It is 2.36.
2.36. So, lighter than this will be that one only.
Yes,
Stud.
stud.
Ang stud lang kay syempre kung amo ka dyan, labog banta na. So, ang weight na. Oo. So, kung stud earrings ka, mas stud earrings ka or amo dyan dangling? Ano gusto mo? Ang gintudlo mo? How much better? 124 after discount. 124 reals times sa kwarta natin 148 equals 18,352 mare. Ang ginutudlo mo. Jaro na baklon ko. Jaro. Tapos, ano to text mo? Okay. Sige. So, brother, here's my ID card. Mare. Baklord ka rin dyan. Somebody to assist. Sorry, brother. This is my card.
What's the price? In the 2.4 and you I told you to carrot lang area.